Hi friends, here's a packet of fun things for you to try. If you cannot do it, that's okay. Just do your best and keep trying. This is called Hearts Counting 1 to 20. If you see, there's some boxes that are empty and there's some numbers down here. So you're going to cut it out or have somebody help you cut it out and put them in order. So like this one's missing. So what would the first number be that would go here? It would be number 1, then 2, then 3. What number is missing? Let's find it down here. It's number 4, and so on until you get all the way up to 20. Then this one says, help Kitty deliver his Valentine to his doggy friend. So you're going to start here, work your way through the maze, and get to the dog. Again, if you can't do it, no problem. And here's a Valentine's Day math activity to try. It says count the tally marks on each envelope and cut and paste the matching number. For example, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to look down here and find the number 4. Again, you might not be ready for this, but give it a try. Here is writing the number A's. So here's uppercase and lowercase a. And then you can write the A inside of the hearts. If you're able to, don't worry if you can't. Then you're going to follow the A's on a pattern all the way through to the bottom. This is a challenging one, so give it a try. This is a color by number. So all the numbers on here, there's little dots, 2, 4, and 5. Number 5s, you're going to color red. Number 2s, you're going to color gray. And number 4s, you're going to color black. Again, this is another challenging one. Here's cut out the strawberries, which are down here. Don't they look yummy? You're going to put 2 on here. You're going to put 5 on here. And you're going to make a match. And on this one, you're going to write the numbers. You're going to start here at the green arrow, green heart, and go down to the red one. Start at the green one, work your way around to the red one on all of these. Okay? And give it a try. Have fun with this packet and do the best you can. Bye, friends.